All right, guys, I'm back.
Hey, Beck.
Hey,
Hey, that was more than a minute, boss.
no, it's a
It's a
Greek minute.
Greek minute.
Greek.
Come on, Ken. For all these years, you should know
Oh,
better.
I give you shit.
we're getting a nice push on the index here. You guys see it on the scanner showing up? Nice push we got. So what's this resistance you're coming up to? 850 on it. All right, so let's get started. Spy is there. Put spy up here. Let me make it blue. All right, guys, let's get started. So let's start with that spy here. Spy. Now, right now, spy is a little bit on the heavy side. So definitely keep an eye on that support line. You need to break under for us to start pulling. Next support I have would be, oops. Oh man, I just said it. Oh shit. Look at this pull right now on spy.
It just touched it. It touched
Damn.
your
Yeah.
yeah.
Next support after that, we have all the way down here. And that is at, well, all the way down here. That's my next level of support. So you need to break under this one now. Damn, what a beautiful pull. That was fast.
Hey, I'm looking to add to my Tesla long on my long. So whenever you feel a support is pretty strong, Jenny, call it out. I'm listening.
Okay, Ken. Tesla. Same thing. We are a little bit on the short side. We're still a little bit on the heavy side. So let's see what it wants to do. Ken, I would like to see this one come down to the next support area, which is, see here, just a little bit higher. If we can get this Tesla all the way down to my next level of support would be even better. And my next support line, Ken, would be, uh, all right, so on Tesla, what's this double bottom down here? Double bottom. I have a support line that's just a little bit higher than the previous low. All right, it's stuck its nose out on this support area down there. So let's see if we can get a little bit of a pull on Tesla. Right now, Tesla is a little bit still on the heavy side. So let's see if we can get it down here, make that double bottom, and then see if we can curl it for an upside move. For an upside move, if it start pulling, this is going to be your first resistance at 335.50. Next resistance is going to be this 136 136.88. 88. So if we're not gonna get a pull, because right now we are getting this trend line flag here, right? So definitely keep an eye on that resistance you are coming up to. You break over this resistance here, you're gonna push on it. All right. We want to see a pull so we can get it even lower. The lower, the better. Nvidia. Nvidia, another one that we want to see pull and we can get that push. So definitely keep an eye on that resistance here, 132 for an upside move, right? We want to break over 132 area. Right now you're having this flag here. So definitely keep an eye on this one to break above and we can push it. Like I said, a little bit on the heavy side right now still. Other ones that we gotta keep an eye on. Let's see what we have here morning. This morning is beautiful. Um, what is that? Ooh, keep an eye on this PM. PM. This one made a beautiful move for an upside. Keep an eye on this one for a downside on PM. Philip Morris, all right? This is your breakover resistance. I think Param, we're talking about Param with this one, right? So we want to see if we can pull this. Param, I don't know if you can hear me now. So definitely keep an eye on the support trend line and see if we can pull this one today. Another one is this Timus. I think Timus, who was talking about this one last week? Was it Candance?
Param.
Was it Param?
Yep.
All right, see if we can pull this Timus Param. We had an upside move on it, broke over resistance. Now we want to see a pull. Let's see what else we have. UNH. I want to see a break under that support on UNH. That's what I would like to see. So definitely keep an eye on the support break on UNH for a pull on it.
304.
4,
Oh, let me see.
4.
10384. This what is that? Nah, it's gonna come up to a double top. This one, Dell. Dell. Guys, keep an eye on Dell. It's making a head and shoulders here. All right, making a head and shoulder here on Dell. So let's see if we can pull this Dell of that head and shoulder. Your next support that you need to break on Dell would be this line here, and that is at 110.28. Dell. BRKB, Berkshire Hathaway. That's Buffett's. This one is making a nice double top up here, guys. Beautiful double top. So definitely keep an eye on it for this one to give you a pullback. FL Footlocker. It's on the heavy side. You need to break on support, and you're gonna pull it. Your support on Footlocker would be 163.80. Lily's making a double top here. So let's see what it wants to do. This is not giving you any kind of direction right now. So you got to wait for this one. Break on the support and then you can take it. QCOM. Look at this flag here on QCOM. Damn, cannot even. Look at this flag here on QCOM right now. Right? Beautiful flag on QCOM. It has a resistance that you need to break through, but beautiful flag on it. A little bit on the heavy side, but definitely keep an eye on it. All right. If you're gonna break on the support, you're gonna pull it. QCOM. um, what else? What else? B dog on the heavy side still. D dog. D dog needs to break on the support of 114.30. Oracle. Oracle is flagging nicely here. Beautiful flag on Oracle needs to break over resistance of this 160 spot 45 for a push. BX. BX flagging for a push on BX. Spreads are wide. AMAT. Look at this double bottom here on AMAT, guys. AMAT needs to break over resistance here at the 163.97. Let's call it 164. 164 needs to break above that push on this double bottom down here. There's no curl on it yet, so wait for it, all right? On AMAT. Others, Apple. Apple right now sitting at support, hitting it, I don't know how many times right now, the support area here. So definitely keep an eye on Apple if it's going to break over your resistance for a push. Very tight resistance on Apple right now. Very tight. So you want to see this. What? Oh, man. It's weird. There it is. All right. So very tight support and resistance right now on Apple. Look how tight it is. You want to get this one to break above that line here so you can get a push. Break under that support. It's going to pull on Apple. Nvidia is trying to break over resistance right now. Reddit. Reddit. This one is making a nice base. It had a beautiful drop. No curl yet, but that's what we want to see. So be patient with this one, all right? You have a trend line flag you need to take care of. All right, so be patient. It's not ready yet. Not ready. You want to break over the trend line flag here and start pushing it on Reddit. Let's see. Coin. Right now, coin is still a little bit on the heavy side, but it is holding support line, and it's sitting on it right now. Sitting on support on coin and flagging. So you need to be patient with this coin, what it wants to do. All right. What else do we have? MSTR. Oh, this one, MSTR. This one with News DC that you were talking about right
Mm-hmm.
now, sitting creaming on this support line here. You want to lose that support. Lose that support for a pull on MSTR. That would be the best. um,
I got two other ones I want you to look at.
TR. Next support I have on MSTR would be 386.35. Which one is that, DC?
TXNM.
TXNM?
Yep.
Is that energy? Ooh,
Yeah.
energy on
So
black.
they're allowing themselves to be acquired by Blackstone.
Oh boy.
5.7 billion.
Mhm.
Yeah. So I'm looking for that flag break,
Mhm.
and then
Beautiful flag on it.
yeah. The
Mhm.
second one is J.P. Morgan.
Oh no, JP Morgan.
Yeah.
Oh boy. This is on the heavy side, JP
Uh
Morgan.
huh.
So on JP Morgan, you want to see this one break under your first support it's coming down to right now. So you are sitting at this support, you want to break that support and pull it. JP Morgan. Be patient. What was the first one again?
TXNM.
GXNM. This was a beauty. Beauty. All right. That's what
Yeah,
we
that
have here today.
there
Good
could
day.
be some serious movement at this one.
Mm-hmm. All right. PTXI breaking under support. All right. So I'm going to put Nvidia up here. Got Tesla up here holding. Tesla is holding here. Um, Nvidia is trying to break over resistance. Keep an eye on Tesla for an upside move now, right? On your Tesla, you need to break above that resistance up here. All right, so definitely right now it's just making a little bit of an effort. Apple is trying to break over resistance. Apple, PLTR holding, coin holding, APP holding, MSTR holding. Everything is holding right now. So let's see what this TXNM
MN.
gold MN wants to do. Beautiful flag on it. Spice holding the support here. Damn it. UNH. Um, GXNM. And SPY. So that's where we are right now. And we have another less than 3 minutes. Now, careful with your shorts. We would love to see an upside move on it. All right. Upside first would be amazing if we can get that. Coin is trying to give us that curl right now. Look at Tesla. Boom. Coming up to that resistance here. Ken. Coming up to resistance. Not breaking through it yet. Apple is trying. Not very successful. PLTR is trying. Carvana. Mr. Coin. APP popped. APP. Less than 2 minutes. Look at APP go. Spreads are wide on it though. On APP, had a beautiful flag on it. APP broke over the trend line already, making this kind of push. But look at the spreads on it. All right, the volume is coming in at 10 shares, so very light volume in it on APP. Tesla is still not breaking over resistance. Less than a minute. Beautiful range DC on this TXNM. TXNM. Let me see the support line on it. This one.
Supported about 53 or 54.
I have a support at 50, 56.60.
Mm.
So that's your support line. Here we go. Oops, there's my SPY here.
Out 95% of Tesla long.
Way to go, to Joe.
Tesla trying to break over resistance. There you go. Tesla pushing, SPY pushing, testing that resistance up here on Tesla. And UNH, breaking on the support and pulling right now. What's your next resistance here on Tesla? Which is going to be all the way up there. Come on, we need to get that SPY to break over that resistance coming up to right now. There you go. Beautiful move on Tesla.
More Tesla long, looking for that emotional 240 test.
Nvidia coming up to the next resistance as well. Nvidia. Nice push on MSTR. Reddit. Coin. APP. PLTR. Carvana. Everything is moving right now with that push on SPY. Take some profit. Do not trust anything right now. Move your stops up and all that, right? especially at the open that we are getting right now. Look at Tesla
Tesla short
pullback.
95% at WAP.
Look at Tesla. Damn. UNH, beautiful short.
Taking
But
off a
it's
little
okay.
bit more Tesla
Well
short
done.
here. You're hitting a longer term 100 right at the 334.72. So look for a small bounce off it here.
Right now, SPY is also having issues.
Up more Tesla short. You're hitting an ideal price target for a bounce. Look for a small bounce, but I'm holding 1% for the short still.
Nice. Well done, Kajura. All right, so we're coming down to this double bottom here on Tesla almost. Just a little bit more. Tesla is coming down to that double top, double bottom down here. Nice push on Dell.
About 95% of Tesla long.
Right now, Tesla is holding. UNH gave us a nice pull. TXNM is coming down to that support here. We need to hold here, break over the trendline flag, and see if we can push it. Volume coming in at 88,000. Look at Apple. We said Apple having a very tight, very tight. Look at this on Apple, right? Very tight support and resistance. Look how it broke on the support. Bye bye. Beautiful move. MSTR coming up to the next resistance here. Do not trust anything right now. Still, we can easily get a pullback, just like we did on Tesla. So definitely keep an eye on MSTR. MSTR. So the MSTR is coming up to this resistance here right now, making a double top right now on MSTR. So definitely keep an eye on it. And if you are on the long side, you need to take some profit here on MSTR. Don't let it break under your support line here. MSTR. UNH coming up and testing support here. Tesla. Nice move on SPY.
Robinhood took off too.
Robin
Finally,
Hood.
I'll just let you know.
Robin Hood. Hood. Ooh, nice push. And hitting resistance 61.25. So push it through here now, Ken. Push it through. Next resistance I have on it would be that 61.92 and then 62.40.
Oh, more Tesla long here. Out Nvidia long here, 95%. 134.48's my ideal upwards price target. There's a longer term 50 there, so it shouldn't take a whole lot to break through it. All right, PT hit on the video. Take some off here, but like I said, since it's a 50% longer term retracement level, it shouldn't take a whole lot to chip through here and take it higher.
All right, Janie. TNMX or TXNM. We'll see if it's going to hold the support.
Yeah, do you see? Let's see. Coming down, retesting it here. All right, so on Nvidia, beautiful move on Nvidia. Well done, Gajora. Nvidia. Tesla is trying to break over resistance. Trying here again. Nvidia gave us a nice pulse coming up to the next resistance. Beautiful move. SPY, almost there. All right, almost there to the next resistance here on SPY. Keep an eye on it. MSTR. Beautiful move on MSTR right now, sitting at the next resistance area. Well done if anybody took any of those tickers. Coin, another one that broke over resistance and gave us a nice push. PLTR, beautiful move as well. Nice pop, nice break over the trendline flag, nice pop. APP, look at this one. This one started a little bit too early with a break over the trend line, but look at it. So let's see what this SPY wants to do here, this resistance. But Apple was beautiful, man. Apple was a beauty. Tesla is trying to break over resistance here. X, TX, TX, NM is trying to make that double bottom down
Yep.
here.
Yep.
So definitely keep an eye on it.
I'm still short.
Good.
Not
Don't
trading
let
the
it break.
P&L today, baby.
Don't let it break over your resistance now.
I'm not going to.
Break on the support and pull it even lower. SPY's having a little bit issues with this resistance. So is Tesla right now.
Taking Apple down a little bit.
Watching T triple Qs.
Tesla doesn't want to push through that resistance. It's really annoying.
Jenny Meta.
Meta. Meta.
Never met a stock I couldn't pew pew.
Nice. Nice move. Very pretty. Meta.
All right. TXNM right there, Janie.
Take it down.
Taking it down.
Move your stops.
Stops moved.
Well done, DC. Tesla is still having issues. SPY's having issues. APP coming up to the next resistance here. Coin is giving us a little bit of a pullback. So is MSTR. Reddit hitting resistance here. Beautiful move on Reddit as well. TXNM.
Altcoin short 95%. You're breaking through WAP here, so move your stops down. I haven't been a part of it, but look at Amazon here. It's been a rocket ride up today. Did you see this at all, Janie? Amazon?
Yeah, beautiful move.
Man, you ain't lying.
Beautiful move.
Yeah, like I said, I
Yep.
didn't catch it, but I'm viewing it now just for small, 20, 30 cent scalps. Looking for a little bit of a pull.
That is a beautiful move.
This might be the tightest range I can recall in the last few months on Tesla. I'm trying to break out here, but there's not much volume. Probably sticking with Amazon.
Yeah, it's really annoying this Tesla today, definitely.
Meta's up like 7 from the bottom.
Yeah. Yeah, I do not trust that Tesla still. Don't let that SPY break under your support now, all right? You're coming up to the next resistance here on SPY. Amazon's giving us a little bit of a pullback. Apple making a nice base down here on Apple. So you came down to support here on Apple, and it's right now making a little bit of a base, nothing else right now. Apple. Let's see what else we have. APP hitting resistance here on APP. Coin giving us a pullback with a flag on it. Same thing goes for Mr. MSTR. Holding support here on Mr. flagging. So you want to break over that resistance.
Right.
I'm out of my hood. It just sold. I heard it go ding on my phone.
All right, nice.
Thanks,
Well
Jenny.
done.
I 81 and it sold.
Well done. Let me see that hood. Where did it go up to?
I made 132 bucks off 100 shares.
Beautiful. Well done, man. I
Good
wanted
job,
this one to
Ken.
go a little bit higher, Ken, up to that
Thanks, guys.
6240 area. I wanted that 6240 on hood. But well done, Ken.
Yeah. You said 6180 was your first. So I take that first one, man. I'm up
Right.
$100, $100.
Yeah, of course. I get it, man. Beautiful. Well done.
Sorry, Jenny.
What's up?
I coughed. I said sorry.
Oh, I didn't even hear it. Mr. Still flagging, still holding. This TXMN is still basic here, no curl yet, DC, so
Yeah.
it easily go even lower.
Yeah, I'm
SPY
just
is
watching it
definitely,
with a hawk.
SPY is definitely having issues right now. So let's see if we're gonna get a little bit of a curl back pull on it. Tesla is so unreliable today. UNH, what are you doing? I would like to see that UNH pull and break under and pull again. Came down to the next level of support and bounced. Those bastards. Guys, if we can get that spy curl and downside move, it's going to take everything down with it, all right?
And check the economic news this morning, but I I keep hearing that there's something today. What is it? E-commerce retail sales, and then leading indicators.
Right.
Yeah, it wasn't. Didn't know that.
Keep an eye on the spy now.
Yeah.
On that one, as Dave knows, key, we found that the investigation was people making sure that their command ID accounts were connected before claiming drops. While this isn't the sole cause, it's true. It definitely was a large portion of cases. Yeah, well, yes and no. It's still yes and no. I think command to do their side of things because obviously it isn't a big problem. When things go it is always the same.
Kajore, are you talking to us?
Might be doing his football thing.
Thank you. Appreciate this episode. Yeah, so yeah. And Joe, we meet again. And now let's give a little bit of coverage to.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you. There was a lot of noise though.
Sorry about that. Just peeling away
That's
here on a
fine.
few stocks, so it's a slower day.
Pew, 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 pew away.
100%. Got to make that money, Janny. One thing I don't want to ever have is a job.
Spy coming up to the next resistance. MSTR still having issues breaking over resistance here, bouncing off support, but doing nothing. Got a nice push on Tesla. Finally, Apple making a nice curl for an upside. So let me show you this Apple now. how it turned around off that support on Apple. If I can spell. There you go. So Apple came down to a double bottom here. Make a curl. Nice pop. Apple. Coin right now is still flagging. Coin. APP. PLTR hit resistance, giving us a pullback.
Jenny, taking Walmart long.
Walmart.
Walmart.
WLM.
No, WMT.
MT.
Yep. Just broke out over my resistance of 97.
Mm-hmm. Oh man, your
See what we
resistance
can do.
lines are totally different than mine. Made
Oh,
a
I'm
double
I'm
bottom.
on Walmart.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I didn't take it down there at the double bottom.
Yeah. So this is how you look like on Walmart right now. Trying to come up to a double top of that double bottom.
Yeah.
UN8 is breaking under support. Come on, Spy, give us a pullback. Be a good girl. Be a good girl and give us a pull. Gasper, if you're in this Spy, you gotta take some profit here. Don't let it break under your support line. Can dance.
I don't see her in the room.
Oh, she left. Come on, Spy, give us a pull. Come on, Spy. Take him down.
Jenny, you need the chosen one to put out some tweets for you.
Yes, we do. Do need some tweets. NWTN, what are you? Oh, nice little push. Come on, Spy. Curl, curl, curl. Ah, all right.
Right now, Tesla only 95%. You're trying to break through the emotional 340.
All right, keep an eye on Carvana is making a double top. PLTR is making a double top. APP double top. Nvidia double top and a resistance. Nvidia. Let me show you this Nvidia here. Double top and resistance on it. Coin broke over the trendline flag. Now testing resistance on coin for an upside move. MSTR breaking above resistance, coming up slowly to a double top. Beautiful move on Reddit as well. Reddit. Hims making a little bit of a move here. Needs to break above resistance of 63. 63.14 on Hims. Come on, Spy. Come on, Spy. AMD still making a choppiness today, Dina, on AMD. But beautiful move on ARM, Dina. ARM. Meta, it's a resistance point here, making a double top on Meta. So let's see if we can make one more push out of it. Spy still not giving us that curl for a downside move. How it's holding that support here right now. Still trying to hold it, and we want to lose it. Come on, lose it. If you are in Nvidia, take some profit off. Don't let it break under support now. Ken, your hood broke over that 62.40, going for the next one at the 63.50 on hood. This is the last breath out of it. Last breath on hood. Ken. Come on, Spy Pull. DC, look how it's holding this TXNM, right?
Yeah, I'm watching it.
Stupid.
Yeah, I took
Really
I took a third off already.
Yeah, it's just breathing here a little bit, but
Yeah,
come on, enough, man. Enough of this breathing.
and I've got my I got to stop in. I drew myself a consolidation box because that's what I think that's what it's doing right now, right? Where it's
Mhm.
at.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get this bear flag. Breaks his bear flag.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. MSTR coming down, testing support here again. Coin does not want to break over resistance. APP still double topping up there.
The banks are really running today, Janny.
They are. JP
Yep.
Morgan.
Yep, JP Morgan actually
Oh.
went. I didn't get in it.
Mhm.
Yeah, it popped over resistance 265, 3
P. Morgan.
points. JPM, yeah.
P. Morgan. Damn, look how it held that support line.
Yeah. Just
Break
boom,
flag. Boom. Yeah,
boom, boom.
beautiful. Very pretty.
There we go. Come on.
Come on.
There we go. CRWV. CoreWeave. WV.
WV. Nice pull.
Yeah.
Double top up there.
Yeah.
Nice range on this one.
I mean, the overall trend is up.
Mhm.
I just bought that bounce.
On.
CRWV.
Okay.
See what it goes. Looking for the as long as the market holds up, looking for the I don't want to say the word new high, but new high.
Well, definitely SPY is trying to hold on,
Yeah.
hold it up here, and
Trying to
that's not what
cling.
we
It's
want.
clinging
Yeah.
on.
Yeah. Being a little bit stupid right now. Coin is retesting resistance. Same thing goes for Mister. Um, APP still holding it up there and flagging. Same thing goes for Reddit, PLTR, and beautiful move.
Okay, so CRWV, look at this.
Mm-hmm.
Boom. 8370 first target, 8372. Eh, 8350.
Um, got it. Well, definitely took some time for Tesla to break over that resistance. Choppy, choppy, choppy until it finally broke over that resistance, gave us a push.
Looks like I'm going to hit my first target here, boss.
Mm-hmm.
First target 83. I got it at 49.
Nice, well done, DC.
Well, I hadn't hit it yet.
But it will. See what is BA doing. Let's pop on BA today as well. What is Baidu doing?
First target hit, Janie.
Nice.
Holding 50% still.
Mm-hmm. Netflix is giving us a little bit of a pullback.
My God, this consolidation box is driving me crazy.
Yeah, it does, doesn't it? Remember that what I said about alerts and alarms we talked about the other
Yep.
day?
Yeah.
Instead of watching it drive, it's gonna drive you nuts.
Yeah.
It's better to put alerts or alarms and concentrate on other things, because this right there, it can go on a long time and you're just gonna be more and more tired. It's gonna drive you crazy and make you very tired, and you're gonna lose all the other trades.
Okay. This might be a stretch. Looking for the next target at 89. Oh, maybe not. It's dropping already. Well, I don't know. We'll see. All depends what the market does here.
Mm-hmm.
All right. See, it's breaking under my bear trend line here on the 30-second chart. TNX,
Right.
TXNM. There's a big gap on the last move. Gap down a couple pennies without the solid candle.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, there we go. Come on. Come on. Come on. I'm looking for this to get some support right around 94.14. Or I'm sorry, 54.14.
On TXND.
Yeah, what's your next support? 54.14?
50. No, I got 56. 56.11.
What?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Core weave, new high.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I'm going to take another 50 shares off, Janie. No, 25 shares.
Yeah. Pay yourself.
25 shares. Sell. Boom.
I couldn't break over that coin. Darn it. I wanted that coin to push through and I couldn't do it. Well. All right, keep an eye on this PLTR making a topping here. PLTR.
BLTR.
PLTR. We need to break under that first resistance, and that first resistance gonna come at 126.80. PLTR.
All right. I sold CRV and WV, got out PLTR. See what we got here.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh.
Let me show you this PLTR making a topping, but we want to break on the support. So let's see.
Okay.